Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to hide all apps list in Windows 11 Start menu. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Create new Dword 32-bit named as No Start Menu More Programs. Change value data to 1. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.